Hi everyone, it's me Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn up the startup and shutdown noise on your Samsung Smart TV. So you can see this is my TV right here. So in order to turn it on, you have to click on, let's see if we can get a focus, settings on your remote. Settings. Then when you open settings, you're going to go down to general. And you're going to click on accessibility. And then voice guide settings.
Voice guide settings, 4 items. 1. Voice guide off, enable or disable the voice guide feature. Voice guide will be provided in the current language.
In order to turn on the boot up and shut down noise on your smart TV, you're going to have this on. So the TV will talk to you any setting you click. So let's turn it on.
Voice guide on.
The blue dot means that it is on. So if when it's gray, it means it's off. So let's turn it on again.
Voice guide on.
So let's exit settings and I'll show you what I mean.
HDMI, Smart Hub, 20, no signal, HDMI 2. 1. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. DR2, press source on your remote to select connected source device source button.
That's the thing, it's going to talk to you. So let's go ahead and turn off our TV so I can show you. So there's the startup, or the shutdown noise. Let's go ahead and turn it back on.
HDMI 2. No signal, HDMI 2. 1. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. DR2, press source on your remote to select connected source device source button.
So as you can see, it'll talk to you. So even if you open Smart Hub, look, it'll talk to you.
Smart Hub, 20 items, universal guide.
So let's say HBO Max.
HBO Max. Apple TV. TV Plus. Apple TV. HBO Max.
So it's going to talk to
HDMI
you.
2. No signal, HDMI 2. 1. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. DR2, press source on your remote to select connected source device source button.
So that's the thing, it'll talk to you. So I'm going to actually go ahead and click the button under the TV and it'll talk to, so I can show you that it will talk everything, every setting. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and go over here.
Control menu. 6 items. Power off. TV controller guide. Press the controller to move. Press and hold the controller to select.
So as you can see, it's going to talk everything. So even if you open settings.
Menu. 6 items. 1. Picture. Picture. 3 items. 1. Picture mode. Dynamic. Select the picture mode that best suits your viewing environment.
So that is how you turn it on, the boot up noise and shutdown noise. So that's pretty much it.
No signal. HDMI 2. 1. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. DR2, press source on your remote to select connected source device source button.
So yeah, let's try that again. Let's turn it off.
HDMI 2. No signal. HDMI 2. 1. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. DR2, press source on your remote to select connected source device source button. So
that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and let me know. That's how you turn it on. So now let's say you want to reverse this step. So let's say your TV's off and you no longer want that on. You don't want it to talk to you anymore. So let's reverse that step. So now we're going to turn on your TV. So now,
no signal. HDMI 2. 1. Check the cable connections and the settings of your source device. DR2, press source on your remote to select connected source device source button.
So it can get a little annoying just for the boot up noise. So now to turn it off, let's say you don't want it anymore, it's annoying. So you can go on settings again, the same thing we did, and you're going to click on settings.
Menu. 6 items. 1. Picture.
We're going to go down to general.
3. Broadcasting. 4. General.
Accessibility again.
Network. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Accessibility. Customize accessibility settings to assist users with visual or hearing impairments. Sub-item. Accessibility. 9 items. 1.
So voice
guide settings. 4 items. 1. Voice guide on. Enable or disable the voice guide feature. Voice guide will be provided in the current language.
So before I turn it off, you could also change the volume.
2. Volume. Volume 3 items.
Medium, soft, or loud.
Set to
Speed.
Speed 5 items. 3 normal. Set 4.
And
medium.
pitch.
3 items. 2 medium.
So now let's turn it off.
1. Voice guide on. Enable or voice guide off.
So now, if you exit, it won't talk to you anymore. So you can see, you're in no signal. It's no longer announcing anything. So that's pretty much it. It's no longer talking. So now let me go ahead and turn it off just for now so you guys can see that it won't do the noise anymore though since we turned that off. So you can see now that that is off, it won't talk to you anymore. So as you can see, let's turn it back on. It won't talk to you anymore. and it won't do the noise. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please give me a like and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.